Hello everyone, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix the Modern Warfare 2.0 is having an issue with controller and it's not working and it's not getting detected, and how we can completely fix this up. So without wasting time, let me directly get into the point. So the first thing what you have to do is we can do from the Steam itself, and if you're on the Steam, just follow the instructions. So first thing what you have to do is just go over here at the top, click on the Steam, then just navigate to settings. Now from here go over here on controller and just click on general controller settings. Okay, so just click over here and go for continue, and when you go for the continue, as you can see there is an options like this. So make sure that is the PlayStation configuration support is unticked, and simultaneously make sure that Xbox configuration support is also unticked. That is quite important, and for some users what they do is they just this might be ticked, so you have to untick this, and once it is done, just go back, then try to launch the game, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. So this is just a try that you're trying from your side as a basic step. And moving to the next one is also you have to do with the Steam itself. For that you just have to click on the game over here, right click and go to properties, go over here on controller, and from here, as you can see, override for Call of Duty Modern Warfare, you just have to change this to either it most probably this will be in use default settings. You just have to change this, and you have to make this to disable Steam input. Once it is done, you just have to close this and try to launch the game. That might be working out. So this is the basic step which you have to try out from here in itself. And once the next one is all about you have to do, it's outside, it's not related to the software, or it's not be doing over here in any particular app. So all you have to do is make sure that is you're just connected. You just have to try with different USBs, because sometimes an issue with the connection. So just like if you're on the controller, just unplug it and just connect it back and see whether it's going to fix, and if it's not, just connect it to any other ports or USBs and see and try out, and most probably that might be working. So these are the possible workarounds which you have to try out when you're having an issue with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2.0 is having the connection or the controller is not working, or it's getting disconnected, and how it can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.